Hey guys, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to style one pair of boyfriend jeans in 10 different ways. And the jeans I'll be using in this video was thrifted. Yes. So the first one is the chic style. That's what I love to call it. That's me pairing a black turtleneck, a tight one at that, with the pair of jeans, and I also started with my boots. I have that red bag for a pop of color. And secondly, I just put up that belt. You can use any belt of any color. I made sure this was matching my hair color. Yeah, I'm sure you get. So you can just wear your belt and you're good to go. So now I'm styling it up with a necklace and adding a leather jacket to it just to give that pop. You get me. So the second one is called the corporate style. I used my green blazer. Yes, I've never styled this out before. It's also thrifted. Most of my wears are thrifted. Yeah, to say slay on a budget. I'm wearing pairing this outfit with my glass heels. I just feel that goes with it, and then I gave it that pop with those glasses to match my shoes, if you get it. Okay, this is also a corporate style. You can also style this, well, I'd say this is good for your dates, your brunch dates, meetings and all. Look at that purple purse doing its job. Now the third style is basic. You can dress this way to run errands. Just pack up the hair, wear your slides, your slippers, whatever it's called, just your easy footwear with just that long jacket. That's what I'll call it, and you're good to go to run your errands, really, especially if you're a mom. This is the easy way. Now for the fourth style, it's casual, and you know what casual is. You're trying to look as comfortable as possible. This is me pairing a white crop top with stripes and my white boot. I popped it up with that fanny pack. It's a big fanny pack. You can just, I don't know, I was going to say go for sport, but no. You can just go for that hiking or whatever with your phone, your money in the fanny pack, and you're good to go. And you can style this fanny pack whichever way you want. As you can see, I love this one most. And also this is another casual wear. I heard you can style a baggy top with a baggy trouser, and I am here to tell you you can. Okay, you can just style it up this way, put your dress down a little. I would never go out like this, but for the stylish girls out there, you can just do this and you're good to go, really. And that red canvas is giving it a pop of color. You can also button up. I have gone out this way before. I went to school like this one time and I loved it. I felt so comfortable. This is your comfy wear. Just wore my red bag to match the shoe. Nothing serious. You thought I was done? No, this is our last styling, and it's the sporty style. I just made sure I picked my cap that I got from UVA. This video is not sponsored by UVA. I just love the cap. I was gifted by one of their staff, and I just decided that okay, this should go, with that red button doing its job. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section telling me which you love. Until next time, darlings. Bye.